Did you know that some foods are downright dangerous if eaten raw? That's right. Today, we're uncovering the truth behind those seemingly harmless foods you should never eat raw. Stick around to learn more and maybe save yourself a trip to the emergency room. Let's kick things off with the popular favorite, eggs. While that gooey cookie dough is oh so tempting, raw eggs can carry salmonella, a nasty bacteria that can cause severe food poisoning. Always make sure your eggs are fully cooked before you dig in. Next up, chicken. Raw or undercooked chicken is a no-go due to the risk of salmonella and campylobacter. These bacteria can lead to severe gastrointestinal issues. So, always cook your chicken to an internal temperature of at least 165 F75 C. No pink allowed, but it's not just meats and eggs. Certain vegetables, like potatoes and kidney beans, contain natural toxins that can be harmful if not properly cooked. Raw kidney beans, for instance, contain lectins, which can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Make sure to boil them thoroughly. Even fruits can be risky. Ever heard of cassava? This tropical root is a staple in many cuisines, but raw cassava contains cyanogenic glycosides that can release cyanide when chewed. Always peel, soak, and cook cassava before eating. And lastly, let's talk about seafood. Sushi lovers, beware. Raw fish can harbor parasites and bacteria. If you're a sushi fan, make sure you get it from a reputable source where it's prepared with the utmost care. So there you have it, a quick rundown of foods you should never eat raw. The next time you're in the kitchen or at a restaurant, keep these tips in mind to stay safe and healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And drop a comment below. What's the most surprising thing you learned today? Stay safe and happy cooking.